Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to fix Grok was unable to finish replying error. Let's dive into the details of this issue and how you can address it effectively. If you've encountered the message saying Grok was unable to finish replying, it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, this issue is usually not caused by anything you've done wrong. It's often a sign that the service is experiencing a temporary overload or undergoing some brief maintenance. This means it's not a problem on your end, but rather something happening behind the scenes. So what can you do about it? The simplest solution is often the best one. Just give it a little time. During these periods, providers might be running updates, scaling their server capabilities, or rotating their systems. As a result, responses might occasionally time out. Waiting for a few minutes and then trying again is often all you need to do. Think of it like a quick reset on their end rather than a problem on your side. If you're eager to try again without waiting, you can perform a hard refresh of your page or open the application in a new tab. A hard refresh is useful because it clears any cached elements and forces your browser to start a new session, which can help clear minor issues after a timeout. On most browsers, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ or on Windows, or Command+Shift+ or on a Mac. If you're using a mobile device or prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, simply open a new tab and navigate back to the application. It's important to avoid pressing the refresh button repeatedly in quick succession. Doing so can actually trigger the same timeout error without giving the service a chance to recover. Another key step is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Even a brief dip in connectivity can interrupt a long response and cause the error message you're seeing. You can check your connection by trying to load another website or stream a short video clip to confirm that everything is working smoothly. If pages load slowly, consider moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or switching temporarily to a different network to rule out any local connection issues. The goal here is to confirm that your side of the connection is steady before you try again. If you've gone through these steps and the issue persists, it's a good idea to circle back to the first suggestion. Wait a little longer. Short service breaks do happen, and they usually resolve themselves as traffic levels out or maintenance tasks are completed. Give it 10 to 15 minutes, and then try your request again. To make this easier, you can copy your prompt into a note so that you're ready to paste it back quickly when you're ready to try again. Most users find that the error disappears on the next attempt after a short pause. In summary, the most common cause for this error is brief maintenance. So, remember to wait a bit. Perform a hard refresh or open a new tab, confirm that your internet connection is stable, and if the issue still persists, take another short break and try again. With a little patience and these quick checks, you'll be back to getting full replies in no time. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to fix Grok was unable to finish replying error. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.